In this video we will talk about types of teeth whitening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Whiter teeth are a staple in the health and beauty industry. Never would you see a model or celebrity with yellow or stained teeth. Let's face it, whiter teeth brings confidence. There are several ways for the average person to obtain a whiter and brighter smile. Here are the most popular. Dentist whitening. We will start out at the priciest end of the spectrum with professional whitening in dental office. Most dentists use a carbamide peroxide in the form of a gel and provide customized dental trays molded by plaster casts of your teeth. These trays reduce the risk of whitening lines due to the fact they are made just for you. In contrast, most at-home kits provide the same carbamide peroxide, just not the form-fitting tray. Dentists charge up to $600 for this treatment, mainly to cover time and office costs. At-home whitening gels. For a much cheaper price, we are able to obtain whiter teeth in the comfort of our own home by using at-home kits. Most of these kits contain the same strength carbamide peroxide formula as your dentist or possibly a more powerful formula. Another benefit of at-home whitening is the price. You're not paying a dentist or his employees, so you will find yourself paying hundreds less than you would at a dental office. Some quality kits can go as low as $39. The only real downside of an at-home kit is the quality of the dental tray, as it's typically a boil and bite mouthpiece. You may find these a little less comfortable than their dentistry counterpart. Whitening strips. The results from whitening strips are usually less than desired. Major brands and off-brands have been known to disappoint, showing a mild effect over the course of a month. The problem is that most pharmaceutical-backed companies are looking for a way to make a reoccurring profit from its consumers. Thus, keeping a weaker product on the shelves keep you coming back until desired results are acquired. In some cases this could be months or years. Whitening toothpastes. Whitening toothpastes seem to have little or no effectiveness. I myself recently tested a popular toothpaste brand, known for its supposed whitening power. I realized that at most, one line of paste could only contain a mild active ingredient, and you would have to brush your teeth for an hour for any noticeable result over a period of a month. Whitening toothpastes seem to be a marketing ploy that sells more from us being so eager for improvement. In conclusion, the real contenders here are dental and at-home whitening kits. They will provide you with your desired results in the shortest amount of time. Saying that, at-home whitening kits allow you to save hundreds of dollars and the peace and quiet of your own home. And no eerie dentist offices. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.